Frustrated by the Cdo library DLL software error message? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows architecture specialist, and I'm here to implement a permanent fix for your Windows environment. Before the walkthrough for Cdo library, note that a diagnostic resource for reviewing system references is linked below. This is the Cdo library, the Collaboration Data Objects Cdo library, a legacy unmanaged module used to facilitate the localized orchestration of localized SMTP email and localized calendar manifests within localized Windows applications. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. This is a critical Windows system integrity issue. You should run the system file checker by opening Command Prompt as an administrator and executing sfc/scan now, allowing Windows to automatically repair core architecture files like Cdo library DLL. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Cdo library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it, or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Restart unsuccessful, no problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double check your inputs. Rebooting didn't re-establish the interface link, so we'll use a specific command to register the component. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rely on a specific pointer in the registry. If the system cannot locate that reference, the file will fail to load even if it is physically present on the drive. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. Do not compromise your computer's health by sourcing Cdo library DLL from random internet mirrors, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts designed to bypass standard antivirus protocols. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. For long-term system reliability, the repair resource linked in the description includes information on managing Cdo library references. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for Cdo library or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.